We called to these boilers in Heswall Reformed Church, and what we found is that they're heavily corroded. So this is boiler 1 on the left hand side, and this is boiler 2. There's no magnetic filter, but yet there's a dust and air separator, but it's not as effective as a magnetic filter. We dosed the system, couldn't find any chemical inhibitor in there either. Cut a long story short, the pipework is copper as well on the central heating flow and return. Also, what we noticed is that there's an unvented cylinder here, and basically it hasn't been serviced, and the inner case, the inner seal has broken, and it's not mounted onto a platform as well. So we feel it should have been mounted onto a platform. Servicing wise, when we come as well, it's only been serviced a couple of months ago. What we found is that the condensate traps are heavily soiled, indicating that the main heat exchangers are corroding and crumbling. When you look at the main heat exchangers and when you delve inside, they're heavily corroded inside as well. Yeah, that's basically it. I would say it's due to lack of maintenance why these boilers have gone down. It hasn't had a magnetic filter installed on it, or filters installed on it. Hence the reason why they're clotted up and full of sludge and magnetite and whatnot. Okay, the recommendation is to replace the 2 boilers, replace the unvented cylinder, install a magnetic protection filter, clear the air separator, dirt and air separator, replace the zone valves, get an electrician in to rewire it up, and that's basically it. In a nutshell, replace the unvented cylinder as well. Give these guys a few years free servicing. The microfill, we just, 1.8 bar, 3 bar, pressure correct. Come on, that's good. Okay, that will last. That's okay. Thank you.